Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at 10 best niche that you can start up today as a dropshipper in order for you to make money in your dropshipping business. So these are going to be the 10 best niche that anyone can start today as a dropshipper and make good sum of money for him or herself in dropshipping businesses. So we are not going to do it sequentially. We are going to keep the best for the last. So we are going to be mentioning it step by step from the beginning to the end. So any of them that we mention, write it down. And if you want to start up your dropshipping business today, you can take advantage of this particular niche in order for you to make more of your dropshipping business, because this niche I'm going to mention for you are going to be superb. You're going to make a good sum of money for it in the dropshipping business. So the number one, or the number 9, or the number 2, or the number 1. So we are not doing it sequentially. The last can be the best one, the second one can be the best one. So we are just listing 10 of it so that you know them. Also write them down and also go through them. Then number 1, let's go to the system. Let's do it from the system. So the number 1 in our list is beauty and health. So beauty and health has been showing a very big change, or maybe it has had a large volume of people going into this business, and it is very, very profitable. Beauty and health is very, very profitable. I recommend it for anyone trying to start up dropshipping. Go into beauty and health and see yourself making a good sum of money in it. The volume of monthly transaction in the volume is very high, and it is recommendable. Then the number 2 in my list, we have home and garden. We have home and garden. So home and garden is another one, very unique and very profitable for anyone that want to start up a dropshipping business. So home and garden is very, very profitable. So you can also go into home and garden, find a product within home and garden and sell it to people. A lot of people, they need that product and they are able to pay you very well. So home and garden is another beautiful one that you have to have. So the number 3 on our list is jewelries and accessories. So jewelries and accessories is one of the important product that you can sell as a dropshipper and make good sum of your money. So if you're looking for product to sell or winning products, this niche can be a place that you find a very good winning product, jewelry and accessories. Then the next in our list is women clothing. Women clothing is another important niche that you can start up today and make good money for yourself. So try it today. Women clothing is another very important niche. If you have not tried it before, women clothing is going viral almost every time, and it's giving people a lot of profit. So if you can want to start up today, start up with women clothing and try it for yourself. This is a niche that is very unique, a niche that always pays, a niche that people always have good turn up for. So people will always wear clothes, people will always dress up, people will always look good. So if you go into women clothing, it's a very important niche that you can start up as a dropshipper today and make good sum of money for yourself. Then the next one is light and lightning. Light and lightning is another important niche that you can try today as a dropshipper. It will be unique for you to try this as a dropshipper because of what? There is a lot of people building houses. There are houses that are built, even the ones that have been built, people will always like to furnish it and to make it look more good. So light and lightning is another important niche that you can try up today as a dropshipper and try for yourself to see how you can be able to make good sum of money from this business. Then the next one is consumer electronics. Consumer electronics is another important niche that you can try today as a dropshipper. Try consumer electronics and see how good you can be able to make use of this niche, because light and lightning. Okay, consumer electronics is a very important niche. I can testify to it because a lot of people have given testimony about this particular niche. Consumer electronics, a very nice niche that you can go into today, and the profit margin is always good. Also, you can try it today and check it out for yourself. The next on our list is pet products. Pet products are those products, you know how pets can be. Pet product is a very unique and is very profitable. So if you can go into pet products, it's very profitable, and I can tell you for free, going into pet products is one of the things that can help you to make good money online fast and so quick. So if you want to go into dropshipping, you can go into something like this pet products and get the money for yourself. Then the next on our list is home appliances. Home appliances is another one that's very unique, that's very good, that anyone can go into today and start making money for themselves. So if you have not been able to start up dropshipping before, or you don't know how to start dropshipping, all this product I'm listing is what you can, this niches is what you can recommend to yourself, or you can start up making plans on how to go into it. Then I've talked about home appliances. Then the next one, which is the ninth one, is men's clothing. Men's clothing is another unique one that you need to start up today to go into. Men's clothing is very unique and it's very good for you to start up with men's clothing, because everyone used to wear clothes, everyone needs to dress up, everyone needs to go out looking good. Then the last but not the least is sports and entertainment. Sport and entertainment is another important niche that you have to start up today with dropshipping business, and it's very affordable and it's very good and it's very profitable. People have tried it and they have given testimony about it. Sport and entertainment. So all these are what you need to do. All these niche are the niche you can start up today as a dropshipper and make good sum of money for yourself. So if this interests you and you love videos like this, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and do or share with your friends. Comment. Just write comment one of the niche you want to start up today, or 2 or 3 of the niche that you want to start up today, so that we know at the comment section. I will always be there to answer any question that you drop here in this channel. And if you want me to make any video regarding to dropshipping or anything regarding to businesses and online marketing, drop it on the comment section so that we attend to it. Use the first link below this video to get access to this website that you are seeing right now that can help you to do what? Get winning product for yourself and your business every day, every time. See you in the next video. We love you. Bye for now. Peace.